So it says that Natalie buys a new car, and at the end of the first month, the odometer reads 800 miles. From past experience, she expects to drive about 900 miles per month. Okay, so this is our first term. Okay, so this would be what we call A1. And then it looks like she's going to increase by 900. Now this is probably arithmetic, and we would call this the common difference or just D. Okay, so D equals 900. That's the common difference. And it says select all the functions that can be used to model the miles. So this is like a recursive one. So the first thing we need to know for recursive is the first term. So f of 1 is just going to be 800. And then what we do is our recursive would be f of n is equal to f of n minus 1, that's the previous term, plus 900, right, which is the common difference, for n greater than or equal to 2, where n is an integer. So then I'm just going to erase this because I don't. What is the common difference? 900. And then that's basically it.